Hi guys, it's your boy Gadget Man 404 here, and this is nothing to do with drones. This is to do with Ilkeston canal, where one of the locks, as you can see, is behind me. I'm going to follow it all the way up here, and then there's a walkway that takes you to Bennerly Viaduct, and you can walk across the top of that. And now they've turned it into like a visitor centre, and they're building a car park, and there's going to be buildings. Now, for access for disabled people, they're doing a ramp from the car park that's going all the way up to the top of Bennerly Viaduct. As you can see guys, this is a lock. Well, it's the second lock for me, but I don't know what number it is. But when I edit this video together, I will put on screen which number lock this is. The Bennerly Viaduct, now they've made a swirling pathway on the canal side in Ilkeston when you can get to it. While they were building that, they obviously locked it all off, but now it's open to the public. So that's what I'm going to do. And here we are guys, this is Bennerly Viaduct. Ilkeston football ground is over that way, and this is the main part. Now when we get to the other side, it is locked off. We get some drone shots, but I ain't gonna waste my time. There's a train line I was telling you about, from Nottingham to Derby, Long Eaton, etc. So this is the viaduct. Now it was built in 1870 something. It's quite high. They've not repaired all of it. That's what they all look like, and obviously look, there's daylight, you can see where the metal's rotten, so they've just concentrated on the middle bits where people can walk. You can walk your dog, ride your bikes. There was, when they first opened this, there was picnic like benches, and obviously they've gone. Literally lasted a few months. There's all Bennerly Viaduct, all this land is going to be developed. Bennerly Viaduct itself, there's a farm and a river type thing I was just telling you about. And I'm going to walk to the other side and show you the ramp that they're building. It's not quite finished yet, but they're banking it up gradually, start doing history kind of things, because I do like history. I like history a lot, and it's on my doorstep, and I'm just waiting for my car to get sorted. So yeah, enjoy guys. Thanks, bye. There you go guys, I am now on top of Bennerly Viaduct. I come on from that side. I've now walked all the way along, and this is where they're building a ramp, and then they will fill it with concrete and then put hardcore on top. Two guys working in the rain. They're mad, but hey, it's the Bennerly Viaduct. Here's a guy coming to dump some hardcore on that. I don't know if you can see, but over here there is a water cleaning plant, and they're having a massive extension. They've like built more water tanks and whatever, and then if you run down here, they've run pipes that run into the river, or that are gonna go overflow. So I don't know if when that gets to capacity, then the overflow will kick in, and there's massive pipes under the ground, and they run into the river just on a corner. I have done a video about that, but I haven't edited that one yet. But yeah, keep your eyes out and maybe you'll see that one. Alright guys.